Have you ever replayed a voice recording again and again just to hear one small part? What if you could repeat only the part you need? The voice recorder app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has a simple repeat feature that lets you loop a specific section of audio. Let me show you how it works. To do so, open voice recorder app. Tap a voice recording you have recorded before. Swipe through the playback bar or play and pause to move the red handle to the point you want as a start. Tap the repeat icon. This point will be marked as A. Move the red handle to the point you want as the end. Tap the repeat icon again, and this point will be marked as B. Then you can tap play, and the recording will now repeatedly play on the part between A and B, given to each function. This feature is very useful when you want to focus on a specific sentence, take notes, practice pronunciation, or review an important moment without replaying the whole recording. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.